We've got companies here who are addressing some of the real key issues.
It's great to be back, and it's great to see an exhibition hall that's filled with people that are interested to hear more and learn more.
Coming to places like this, you get a variety of all the different things and capabilities on offer.
AI can do many things, but doesn't have any sense of intention.
I think that we are at the bottom of this exponential curve. I think that things are about to change pretty dramatically as we go forward.
It's got a real busy vibe, everybody's upbeat.
It's beautifully organised, there's a big fun element to it.
It's my first time, my first DTX, an amazing experience.
It's kind of a one-stop shop for everything that you might need.
Vendors will come to Heathrow, but it's like one at a time, and actually coming here, I can ask the same question to multiple vendors.
But getting face-to-face with people is so important. And that's why I do these events, and I think that's why other people do them as well.
It's a great blend of the commercial, but the practical and the theoretical elements.
What I love about coming to DTX is the range of speakers that I get to see and meet.
There's a bigger world out there in terms of tech, in terms of people, in terms of processes.
I also like the fact that there's quite a diverse set of people around as well, all sorts of different businesses that all walks in life.
Coming to events like this gives an opportunity to have proper conversations.
We've got companies here who are addressing some of the real key issues that we've got.
What is currently happening and how many companies are actually focusing on the future?
I love hearing what the end users are looking for. They're the ones that are setting the trends today. 5-10 years ago, it wasn't that way.
This is a great example of where you can see lots of different vendors from different technology areas.
But also building the network. It's the biggest thing in tech, is having a good, strong network.
That's what happens in these kind of events, which is fantastic.